Flair Dance Art, it's a new art form that combines Flair bartending plus dance plus music and also unites people, since it's better to dance together. Flair Dance Art, what is it all about? It's about not just throwing objects, but also moving your body in a cool, beautiful, sexy way. Having maximum fun doing flair. Creating new, much more impressive, powerful, emotional performances. Realizing your creative potential and making something new with like-minded people. First lesson will be divided into 8 short videos with 6 simple moves. Here, we will start learning how to combine leg steps with shaker tricks. Music for all 8 videos will be Into You, Ariana Grande, but you can dance to your own music. Remember that first we study arm moves, leg steps, legs and arms together, all to the music. So, dance yourself, dance with your friends even if they do it without shaker. Post your videos on social media with #FlairDanceArt. Create your own moves and tag me in your posts. Let's start. Hands. Scroll up. Change. Legs. Step put. Together. Music.